Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to make a video overlay in CapCut. So this is very useful if you want to record your camera and in the background you can have a gaming video or a screen share. Also, if you want to open a new CapCut account and support the channel in the same time, you can do that by using my affiliate link in the description. By doing so, if you ever decide to upgrade to a Pro CapCut version, I will get a small kickback, which really helps the channel out. So to get started, first we will drag our background video onto the timeline and then our overlay video. So your overlay video needs to be above your background video. And from here, you need to select your overlay video so it has this white outline on it, and then go to Remove Background right here. Here, click on Auto Removal. Now, in a few moments, CapCut will remove the background from this video, and only this person will remain in the frame. So now you can adjust the scale of the video, so let's say to this, and place it right here. So now if I unmark it and play the video, both videos will play at the same time. So that's how you can overlay a video in CapCut. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.